On November 3rd, 2020, all voting U.S. citizens will elect the President of the United States. For now, there are two main candidates, the incumbent President, Donald Trump, and Joe Biden. Joe Biden is leading now, according to election polls. If he is elected as president, the country may witness a potential turning point. Biden has been involved in politics since the 1970s. This means that he is well aware of all the procedures and mechanisms needed to make real change. If that point alone is not convincing, there are some other factors to consider. First and foremost is the health of the nation. President Trump's response to the coronavirus pandemic has been quite ineffective. Our country has lost over 200,000 people to the virus, as he continuously downplays the severity of the pandemic. Joe Biden, on the other hand, has a well-developed plan for addressing the pandemic by expanding testing, allocating more resources to treatment, and improving other health services. It is crucial to face the truth. The pandemic will not subside soon, and as such, it is essential to elect a president who will minimize the risk to our country through to the end of it. Second, many people view President Trump as a racist, which is unacceptable in such a diverse country as the United States. Whether or not there is truth to that claim, having so many citizens thinking it speaks to the country's viewpoint. Joe Biden offers more flexible asylum-seeking policies. Even if one does not support immigration, denying people of the right to seek asylum is simply immoral. Therefore, as a key player in the global arena, the United States should support those in need of safety. Finally, Joe Biden supports the middle class, which is where a bulk of the United States population lies, while President Trump is an active supporter of the upper class. This is not surprising, since the president is a part of the business world. The president should care for ordinary people. All of these are just a few reasons for voting for Joe Biden, as he may indeed bring the country to a better and safer future.